Boathless guy, but here recently I'm the PWS guy. And here, break for a second while I talk to you so you can see me. I wanted to show you the progression I'm making. Now, if you've ever done P90X, you know what a lawnmower is. Okay? I'm doing sometimes 8 to 10 reps with 110 pounds. Now take this out. No joke. Okay, that's it, reps. I wanted to show you that. That's a lot of weight. So I wanted to show you that. That's how I'm improving in chin-ups. My hands are a little sore, but there's 8 right there, like it's nothing. So I want to show you guys that. Until next time, peace out. And if you don't believe me, there's the dumbbell right there. That's 110 pounds. So peace out.